Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your phone's data plan and hotspot feature are enabled and battery is adequate. On the phone, open Settings, go to Hotspot and Tethering and enable Mobile Hotspot. Set a clear SSID and a strong password so you avoid connection issues. On the HP laptop, confirm the Wi-Fi adapter is on in network settings and disable any active VPNs briefly so the laptop can discover the new network. Once done, proceed to scan for networks. On the HP laptop, click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and let Windows scan for available networks. Find the SSID you set on the phone. Select it, click Connect, and type the hotspot password exactly as entered on the phone. Mismatched characters are the most common cause of failure. When Windows asks, choose private if you trust the hotspot and will share files, or public for tighter security. Make sure airplane mode is off, and that the adapter shows an IP address once connected. After connecting, verify internet access by loading a web page. If pages fail, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig to confirm you received an IP from the hotspot. If there's no internet, toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, disable and re-enable the laptop's Wi-Fi adapter, or reboot both devices. If problems persist, forget the SSID on the laptop and reconnect, update the laptop's wireless drivers, and make sure battery saver on the phone isn't restricting mobile data. This single fix resolves many stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.